Buying a home is exciting, but let's be real, it can also be super stressful. There are 4 specific fears that creep into every buyer's mind. In this video, I'm going to show you what they are and, more importantly, how to overcome them. That way you are clear and confident while you're making the biggest investment of your life. First up is the fear of losing the home that you love. You think you found the one, and every single hour that it's not under contract, you feel like it's slipping through your fingers. Here's the thing, you don't control how fast the market moves, but you can control your preparation. The key? Work with an agent who's ahead of the curve. That way, the second you find the right home, your offer is submitted before someone else beats you to it. Now let's talk about fear number 2. What if something better comes along? This is that classic, the grass is greener on the other side sort of thing. Buyers tend to get stuck on trying to find the perfect home, and they let all of the good homes and the homes that meet all of their needs pass them by. The solution to this is to focus on what matters most. No home is perfect, but the right home will check the boxes that align with your lifestyle. Instead of chasing perfection, aim for perfect enough. Trust me, you'll love the home that supports your goals. All right, fear number 3 is overpaying for the house. Nobody wants to feel like they've been ripped off no matter what they're buying. This is where having a solid agent really makes a difference. We don't just rely on gut feelings, we rely on data. By looking at market trends, comparable properties, and negotiating strategically, you can be confident that the price that you're paying makes sense. Matter of fact, you won't just avoid overpaying, you'll actually feel good about your purchase knowing it was worth every penny. And finally, fear number 4, what if there's something wrong with the house? Even your dream home can have a lot of hidden issues, and that's something that can cause a lot of anxiety. The answer here is just to do what you're supposed to do, meaning get inspections. We leave no stone unturned. A good inspection isn't just about finding flaws, it's about giving you the confidence to move forward or walk away. To expand on inspections a little bit more, they're put in place that way you know exactly what you're getting into without any surprises. So those are the 4 biggest fears: losing the home you love, missing out on a better one, overpaying, and something being wrong with the house. If this video helped ease some of your concerns, drop in the comment section below your biggest takeaway, or better yet, what fear you're currently going through right now. We'll see you in the next one.